Are you looking for the best 3D printers under $300? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best 3D printer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Creality Ender 3v2 3D Printer. Creality Ender 3v2 3D Printer update the motherboard with silent TMC 2208 stepper drivers. Ender 3v2 design that delivers users out-of-the-box experience and silence-oriented upgrades. It has been built to offer a beefy level of power, featuring an ARM Cortex-M3 STM32F103 CPU and a TMC 2208 stepper drivers. Creality FDM 3D Printer Ender 3v2 have all-metal integrated design with smooth motion, quality, and high-precision printing. The Creality Ender 3v2 3D printer use new display equipped with UI LCD screen. User experience greatly upgrades with the newly designed Operation UI system, convenient disassembly, and simple operation. Simple assembly with 80% pre-installed. Convenient and time-saving. Creality Ender 3v2 3D printer equipped with well-known brand Meanwhile power supply to heat up quickly and let users choose between power voltage of 115V or 230V. Meanwhile, the Ender 3v2 has been shielded by its power supply from voltage spikes and power outages. If there is an electrical power failure or outage suddenly, printers can resume printing from the last layer, saving time and reducing waste. The Carborundum glass platform enables the hotbed heat up quicker and prints adhere better. Ultra smoothness even on the first layer. With the latest Creality Ender 3v2 3D printer, you no longer have to buy this upgrade because the printer comes with it as standard. Creality Ender 3v2 3D printer support resume printing and accurately record the printing data. No worry about sudden outage. Humanized design with XY axis tensioner for belts tightness adjustment and rotary knob for convenient filament feeding. Number 2. ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro FDM 3D Printer. Overview of Neptune 3 Pro 225*225*280mm superscript 3 market mainstream printing size can meet the needs of most users. With an STM32 motherboard, all axes of ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro are driven by silent stepper motors for quieter and more precise movement during printing, which reduces the noise as low as 47 to 48 dB. The easy-to-set-up printer comes with the main components pre-assembled, as well as a complete toolkit for quick installation. The new dual-gear direct drive extruder is made of SUS 303 high-quality stainless steel with a 3:1 reduction ratio and stronger extrusion force for smoother filament feeding and more stable and accurate printing, which greatly reduces nozzle clogging and under-extrusion issues. Printing effect is better than Bowden extruder. Compatible with multiple filaments such as PLA, TPU, PTG, and ABS. The nozzle kit contains a TC4 titanium alloy throat pipe, an aluminum alloy flat heat sink structure, and a brass nozzle. The widened aluminum heat sink paired with the front close-fitting efficient cooling fan for a better heat dissipation effect and lower the temperature of the throat pipe, thereby reducing the possibility of nozzle clogging. Auto Mesh Bed Leveling adopts a non-contact high-precision sensor to automatically scan 36 6x6 points of the hotbed and collect data in real time, and then adjust the Z-axis height to compensate for any irregularities and unevenness of the printing platform. Only applicable to metal printing platforms. Smart Resume Printing. The printer will auto-pause when the filament runs out or breaks, and you can resume printing after a power outage. The Z-axis with dual synchronized lead screws and dual motor drive for more stable movement of the print head and higher printing accuracy, avoiding the printing deviation driven by a single Z-axis lead screw motor. The 4-wheel V-guide rail pulley is made of POM with more stable movement, low noise, wear resistance, and longer service life. Number 3. Comgrow Official Creality Ender 3 Pro 3D Printer. Removable build surface plate, provide all-round protection to your 3D printer build plate and ensure consistent temperature throughout the build surface. Easy to remove the printing models after cooling. Safe power supply. Ender 3 Pro comes with a branded power supply, protecting your printer from unexpected power surges that can heat the hotbed to 110 degrees Celsius in just 5 minutes. Resume print function. Ender 3 Pro can resume printing from the last recorded extruder position after suffering unexpected power outages. Semi-assembled kit. This easy-to-setup kit comes partially assembled, allowing you to learn about the basic construction of 3D printers as you finish putting it together. A fun STEM educational experience in mechanical engineering and electronics. What you get: Creality Ender 3 Pro 3D printer, lifetime technical assistance and 24 hours professional customer service. Number 4. Anycubic 3D printer. Anycubic Cobra Neo is a 90% pre-installed 3D printer, which make it possible to set up within 10 minutes. It can print perfectly right out of the box, and this would make any beginner to be a great printer enthusiast, which is more suitable for beginners than other DIY 3D printers. The direct drive extruder realizes smooth feeding and discharging of filaments and compatible with more flexible filament such as TPU/PLA/ABS/PTG. It is more lighter, features less inertia and more precise printing, can restore the form of the model to the greatest extent. Compared with other FDM 3D printers, double-sided magnetic PEI spring steel platform is more durable and lasts longer, saving a lot of maintenance costs. You can remove the model easily. Simple operation brings precise detection, and fast leveling helps you from the tedious manual leveling greatly. Compared to the last generation Anycubic Mega S, the printing volume of Anycubic Cobra Neo has increased by 34.4% to reach 12.1 liters. The printing dimension is 250x220x220mm, equivalent to the size of a standard size 5 soccer ball. Make it fast. Anycubic Cobra Neo 3D prints at a recommended typical speed of 50-60 mm/s and reaches 100 mm per second at its highest, which will save much time. Make it smart. The standard power outage resuming sensor and the optional filament runout sensor reduces filament waste and save time by avoiding the printing failure caused by the power outage and lack of filament. Anycubic FDM 3D printers come with 1-year warranty, the print head with 3 months, the heated bed with 6 months, and lifetime technical support. If you have any question on Anycubic Cobra Neo 3D printer, just click Ask a Question through our page. We will fast respond within 24 hours. Number 5. Comgrow Official Creality Ender 3v2 Upgraded 3D Printer. Self-developed silent motherboard. The Ender 3v2 built-in self-developed silent motherboard, which has stronger anti-interference, faster and more stable motion performance, silent printing, and low decibel operation. UL certified branded power supply, equipped with branded power supply, produced by the listed company with mature technology, meeting all the needs of fast heating and long-time printing. Moreover, the power supply is concealed in the machine, making it much safer. Effortless filament feed-in. Ender 3v2 adds a rotary knob on the extruder, making loading and feeding filament process much easier. Brand new operation UI system and 4.3-inch smart color screen greatly improve user experience. Resume printing function can resume printing from the last recorded extruder position after suffering unexpected power outages, saving your time and reducing waste. Carborundum glass platform enable the hotbed heat up quicker and prints adhere better without the warping. Ultra smoothness even on the first layer.